Understanding the ecological benefits of rewilding projects. What is rewilding? Rewilding is the process of restoring ecosystems to their natural state by reintroducing native species and allowing nature to take its course. It focuses on enhancing biodiversity and restoring the natural balance of ecosystems that have been disrupted by human activities such as deforestation, hunting, and urbanization. Restoring biodiversity through species reintroduction. One of the primary ecological benefits of rewilding is the restoration of biodiversity. By reintroducing native species that were once driven away or extinct in a region, rewilding projects help recreate balanced ecosystems. This can prevent the dominance of invasive species and promote a more diverse array of plants and animals in the environment. Strengthening ecosystem resilience. Rewilding projects help improve the resilience of ecosystems to climate change and other environmental stresses. By reintroducing keystone species, such as predators or herbivores, ecosystems can maintain healthier vegetation, control invasive species, and stabilize food chains. This natural balance strengthens the ecosystem's ability to recover from disturbances. Enhancing soil and water quality. In many rewilding projects, the reintroduction of herbivores and predators can help restore vegetation, leading to better soil health and water quality. Herbivores, such as grazing animals, help prevent overgrowth of certain plant species, allowing for a more balanced ecosystem. Additionally, healthy vegetation helps reduce erosion and improves water filtration. Carbon sequestration and climate change mitigation. Rewilding projects contribute to mitigating climate change by enhancing carbon sequestration. Restoring forests, wetlands, and grasslands increases the capacity of these ecosystems to absorb and store carbon dioxide. This helps reduce the overall concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, combating global warming and its associated impacts. Improving habitat connectivity and fragmentation. Rewilding can also help connect fragmented habitats by creating corridors for wildlife movement. This connectivity allows species to migrate, breed, and find food more easily. It also reduces the risks associated with isolated populations, such as inbreeding and genetic depletion, ensuring long-term survival of species. Re-establishing natural ecosystem functions. Through rewilding, natural ecosystem functions such as pollination, water regulation, and nutrient cycling can be re-established. The reintroduction of species that play vital roles in these processes, such as bees, birds, or large herbivores, helps ecosystems function more naturally, benefiting both wildlife and human communities. Restoring ecological balance and trophic cascades. Rewilding projects can help restore ecological balance through trophic cascades, where the reintroduction of top predators or herbivores can alter the behavior of other species in the ecosystem. For example, reintroducing wolves to an area can control deer populations, allowing vegetation to regenerate and benefiting other species dependent on plants for food and shelter. Enhancing public awareness and education. Rewilding projects often engage local communities and the public in conservation efforts, raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity and ecosystem restoration. These initiatives can help foster a deeper connection between people and nature, encouraging sustainable practices and greater support for conservation efforts. The role of rewilding in global conservation efforts. Rewilding is a crucial component of global conservation efforts, particularly in the face of biodiversity loss and climate change. By restoring ecosystems and reintroducing species, rewilding contributes to the broader goal of preserving natural habitats and ensuring that future generations can enjoy healthy, functioning ecosystems. Conclusion. A path to ecological restoration. Rewilding offers significant ecological benefits, from restoring biodiversity and improving ecosystem resilience to aiding in climate change mitigation. By reintroducing native species and allowing ecosystems to function naturally, rewilding projects help rebuild ecological balance, creating healthier environments for both wildlife and humans.